Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove TradingView indicators. Keeping your charts tidy is essential for clear analysis, and thankfully, TradingView offers several straightforward ways to manage your indicators. We'll cover the most common and efficient methods, ensuring you can easily declutter your workspace. Let's dive into the first technique to get you started. The simplest way to remove a single indicator is by using the right-click menu. Just hover your mouse over the indicator line or panel on your chart, then right-click. A small menu will appear, and you'll see an option to remove the indicator. Click this, and it will instantly disappear from your chart. This is perfect for quick adjustments when you only need to delete one or two items. Another effective method involves the indicator list, typically found at the top left of your chart. Here, all active indicators are listed by name. To remove one, simply find its name in this list and click the small X icon located right next to it. This action will immediately remove the indicator from your chart. This approach is especially handy when you have several indicators and want a centralized way to manage them. For a more comprehensive overview, utilize the Object Tree panel. This feature, often found on the right toolbar, lists all elements on your chart, including indicators and drawings. Open the object tree, locate the indicator you wish to remove, and click the trash can icon next to its name. This method provides a detailed way to manage all your chart objects, offering excellent control, especially on complex charts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.